Hello, ladies. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Hope you're doing all right. What's the vibe? In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little different. I have never saw these. These are by Saviland. This is a foreign... Sorry about that, you guys. Did you get a little shaky? Okay, let me shut up. Okay, so this is by Saviland. I just loved the packaging. It looks like a freaking donut with sprinkles. It's their 4-in-1 nail design gel. I have them all swatched here. That's what they look like, and that's how they come out. You can use them as a regular gel polish. You can wear 3D, textured, or puffy stuff, I guess. Does that make sense? I don't know. It does come with your instructions. So it comes with a variety of color. I really like the variety. You get your silver, your gold, your white, your black, and then your rainbow colors. I love it. They're like tiny little tubes. It says on the back, 3D nail carving, nail decoration, nail embossing, and nail painting. These are 12 mLs, okay, a little smaller than your 15 ml. Another thing that I really liked about this kit is they send you a whole bunch of brushes, fan brushes, art brushes, liner brushes, a dotting tool, gel brushes. You get it all right here. I've actually got my 10XL stilettos by ENC out. So I'm going to take the silver. Oh, this is going to be fun. So I'm going to do this. This is what we're going to do. We're going to draw a line down the nail. It's a pretty silver too. Ooh, pretty. Okay. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, they go on nice and smooth. Wow. Okay, Saviland. All right, we got the silver applied. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds since it's like super thin. All right, y'all, here we go. We're gonna just do it. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna go crazy. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do thin. Like a snake. A thick top coat by ENC. I'm gonna put the Dom top coat over my accent finger. And for funky nail art, you gotta have a funky accent finger, right? All right, I was gonna take these and just pour it on. I was gonna just go like this. Whatever sticks, sticks. Get them up into the top coat. Flatten it down. Let's go ahead and give that, actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and go over the rest of them. I'll go ahead and do a full cure. All right, you guys, I got these really fun rings from Shein, but there we have it. There is our funky Saviland 4-in-1 gel nails. Super funky. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Guys, look at these. Look at these nails. Look at them. Look how funny looking. All right, fail or nail? Nail or fail? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. You're not going to hurt my feelings at all. This was just for fun. I like it. I do. I really do. Loved the silver. They go on very nice and smooth. I did have a little problem. Let's see. No. Well, okay, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and give the Saviland 4-in-1 nail design gel 5 baby girl nails. It cured, fantastic, even bubbled up like this. It's completely hard as a rock. Yeah, it's all cured. All right, you guys, so I was just playing around with the Saviland gels, but now we're going to get down to it and make what I came to do in today's video. I'm using my Extreme Square Black French by ENC Couture. I'm going to take that silver, beautiful silver that we used, and a little gel brush that comes in the kit. Take a primer, and you're just going to etch the surface, and you don't even have to put a base coat. Just go ahead and etch the surface. That way it's sticky and it'll give the gel something to adhere to. And I'm just going to put the silver at the tip of the nail, just like a little dot at the free edge of all the nails. We're going to cover almost all of the black with the silver, leaving just a little black smile line. So you're kind of making a silver French, but you do want to keep a little bit of that black showing. And you can go around it and fix it up after you've got your silver on, which I normally will do. But do you see how easy that was to just go around with one little dot of gel? Like, that worked absolutely perfect. All right, the next part, we're going to be using the stickers from ENC Couture, blue and pink floral roses. Some rhinestones picked out. This one is from Walmart. These are from Shein. I'm going to take my diamond gel from ENC Couture. This is for rhinestones. It's a really thick gel. I'm going to go over the entire nail in the center with this. Just go right over the top of the nail. Cover the whole thing. This is going to help those rhinestones stay on. I'm going to take a random top coat, float that right over the top. Diamond is going to go here. I'm going to grab my DIY for the larger gem, and I'm going to put it right here where this one will go. And I'm going to go over the whole nail with the diamond gel and float your top coat over the top. Drop right here, small one, and put it here, another small one here, and we're going to drop that right here. Just make sure when you apply the stickers that you press them firmly down on the nail, that way they'll stay. Guys, once you have your stickers, you're going to go ahead and top coat those. I'm going to take my Dom top coat by ENC Couture. This is like the Mac Daddy top coat. I actually do one nail at a time because I'm going to put one more rhinestone on here. All right, I'm going to take a diamond and I'm going to put it right here. Add and top coat them, sealing everything in. Diamond, place it right here. Grab your rhinestone, place it down, and you're gonna go ahead and give that a full cure. The last thing I gotta do is apply my nail tabs. These are also from Shein. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back to show you the end results. Yes, these are press-ons, okay? If you want them to look like really nice press-ons, you're gonna use a nail glue, not the tabs. The tabs make them look fake, but I wanted to leave these, you know, as press-ons. That way I can put them on with gel later, because they are still see-through and I can use gel to apply these. So there we have it, my review on the Saviland 4-in-1 nail design gel. I love it. It worked great. It cures absolutely amazing, even when it's like really fluffy and chunky. Definitely give it a try. And it comes with so many different colors. Like, it's so fun. It's such a fun kit. Definitely great for summer. So let me know what y'all think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below. So comment down below, let me know, do you guys like the long set that I did, the funky wild set, or do you guys like these? They go on really nice and smooth. I didn't really have a whole lot of issue. And thank you again for sending this kit to me for review. All right, guys, so if you did enjoy today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Sending you guys lots of love and light. Until the next time, bye.